Dumpling them soft, very soft and nice. Delicious.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. And guys, we're gonna make some Jamaican ackee and saltfish or codfish. But anyhow, these ackee, they came from my backyard. Alright, clean out the little red part inside in the middle, and you want to wash it, boil it, and then I freeze it, and my husband preserve it with some fermenter. Can you see that, guys? So yeah, this is coming from my backyard in Jamaica. Okay, so we're gonna make some authentic Jamaican ackee and saltfish national dish. 2 onions, garlic, green onion, all type of bell peppers right there, some thyme, some of my blended seasoning, black pepper, salt, and I'm gonna use some olive oil. All right, guys. Yeah, you can add some tomato too. Now we have some saltfish. You need this one, okay? And I'm gonna do some of it. All right, guys, that will do. And you want to rinse it off, okay, because it will salt. This is the boneless one, okay, guys? Easier to manage. So you want to rinse it off a few times. And then we're going to put it to boil. All right, guys, I'm going to put this to boil, and it should be good. If it's well salted, you want to boil it like 2 times. All right, you want to boil this for about, say, 5 to 10 minutes. Boil out some of the salt. All right, so we're going to strain it off, and we're going to fry up everything. And now I have the ackee, and you know you want to take it out overnight and put it in the fridge bottom, or you want to take it out a few hours as well so it can melt out. Okay, you don't want it mashed up because it cook already. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to pour it here. Because remember, say cook already. All right, guys, now you can go ahead and you can just mix it in with your stuff. And my husband seasoned this already. What were you putting them, my husband? You put pimento, look like you put pepper and thyme and scallion, thyme and onion. He already seasoned it already, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my hot water and I'm gonna just run it over it. Just like that. You see it come back fresh and nice. Drain off it, and then we're gonna fry it up. Let's put some oil in the pot. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're gonna pick this up. Just want to pick it up in little pieces, not too much. And this one don't have no bone, guys, so you can work with it so well. All right, so that's that. I think I see a little bit of bone right here. We're gonna fry up the onions and garlic. Oops. We're gonna put the green onion, our scallion, and it's frozen too, guys. When you see them on sale, buy them up. All right, guys, we're just gonna give this a little stir, and we're gonna go in with the bell peppers, and they are frozen as well. All right, guys, you just want to saute this a little bit, right? I have some thyme, and I have some of my blended seasoning, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon. I will leave a link to this one. This one just going to add some more flavor to it. Can you see the goodness here, guys? All right, so guys, when you have it fry up and look like that, we're gonna add the saltfish or codfish. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper first, and then I'm gonna add some more after. You want to let this fry up for about a minute or two, okay? And then I'm going to add the ackee. So when you fry it up like this, boy, you can't eat this just like that, okay guys? You can't eat this like that with some cornmeal dumpling, just like that, okay guys? And now we're going to go in with the ackee because my ackee already soft. So you want to take your time and just stir it in a little bit. And you know, so once it's in the freezer, just take your time and stir it in, alright? Not too much, guys, because you don't want to mash it up now, okay? You want to give this another few minutes so it just cook down and warm up and everything, and it's good to go. That's my Jamaican ackee and saltfish national dish, right, my boss? To top it off, we're going to put some more black pepper, okay? You gotta put lots of black pepper in this. Can't leave without no black pepper on it. And guys, I'm gonna serve up this with some fried dumpling for my husband. He said he wants ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling in the morning. Alright. Alright guys, we don't mash it out too much. Look for me good Jamaican ackee and saltfish national dish. Guys, over here I'm frying up some dumpling. I will leave a link how to get them good dumpling here, guys. So see them over here, so. Authentic Jamaican fried dumpling. Alright, I'll leave a link for this one. Alright guys, I made a video already, so I'm not gonna make another one. Alright guys, we're gonna take out the one them were brown. Look at this goodness. It's just a teaser this, alright guys. I'm gonna leave a link how to get these juicy and yummy fried dumplings. And we're just gonna put few dumplings. Alright my peeps, this is it. This is my Jamaican ackee and saltfish served up with some fried dumplings. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. And there's more over here. You have a good day. Bye guys. Tell them how it is. What?
It's good.
It's good? Break it dumpling and show them.
The Jamaican whole dumpling and bite it. You know.
Bite it?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well done.
Almost like Jamaican, but it's good, perfect.
Almost like Jamaican, really now?
Canadian dumpling, but it's
Canadian dumpling, but
still Jamaican.
still Jamaican? Okay, thank you.
Pass.
It pass? Alright, thank you. Mwah.